Finally! I'm actually drawing her! Yes! I'm finally drawing the first revealed fairy-type Pokemon, alcremie. Otherwise known as one of the many Pokemon that can Gigantamax. Alcremie is one of the many Pokemon that can that appear on many different forms. They usually appear in shades of rosé and white. Well, actually, mostly they can appear from they can appear out of anywhere. Sometimes multicolored, sometimes with special treats on top of their hair. And another thing. This guy can evolve using special fruits. After its prior form, Milcery is exposed to the fruits, it causes them to evolve. There are secrets when it evolves. Sometimes, when you give it the Gigantamax soup, it evolves into its Gigantamax state. Anyway, that is how you draw alcremie. That's what they've recently been naming her. Anyway, that's how you draw the cream Pokemon.